Wait. Okay, there you go.
This is something I hate about myself. I forget that I'm lactose intolerant, but like,
How do you forget?
because I like things
You like
with
things?
cheese in
like
the milk.
things
Like food.
This looks like the main street too, so maybe we'll see some cool.
Just keep walking now. I feel better. My legs are a little bit better, so it should be fine.
Yeah, I feel a little rested too.
So, yeah, we have to go this direction.
So the mall, we will see it because it's like the tallest building in
tallest
Spain.
building? Oh, it is?
It's like a massive tower.
Let's go.
So we'll see it.
That's a very big pocket.
This jacket is amazing for IRL streaming. Actually, I love it.
The pockets are actually large.
No, I love this jacket. It's great. Alright, let's go this way.
I'm just carrying a little bag.
It doesn't fit in your backpack.
Probably does, but it's fine. I don't really know.
You'll probably get tired eventually and put it in your backpack.
It's a joke. Look at my hair. It's style.
It's cute. It's wild.
It's so wild. So you were talking about Burger King.
Yeah, that's one of the Burger King that I saw on Google Maps.
Audica.
We haven't been here, so it's our first time in this street. It looks like stores are. Wait, is it siesta? What time is it? Chay, what time is siesta time in Spain?
Siesta a las 3, 4.
So everything is closed now, it seems.
I'm talking to my bank now.
But it should be. It's almost 5 p.m. What is this? Prima Prix.
I'm trying to reset my card.
Prima
I really
Prix.
need to try my card again to see what's
Look,
happening.
all of these are closed. They should open around now. So maybe they open at 5? Maybe? La 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 la. Let's go. This street is beautiful. It's not raining now. Right, Teresa?
Good. Right now it's quite pleasant. I'm just trying to figure out because like I used my card here
Yeah?
3 times. 3, 4.
But wait, is your card a master? Like, can you use that card internationally?
Yeah. Like I was just checking because it told me go to your CC thingy and see if this is activated. It is. So, and I used it, but the same thing happened to me in the Netherlands. I used it like 5 times, and then after that, gone.
You may have to talk with your bank. They may have like a limit.
That's what I'm. Yeah, I'm talking to them like
Oh,
their
nice
support.
toy planet. Ooh,
Oh, Funko Pop.
Funko Pop. What other stores can we find? Oh, look at this candy store. Looks fancy. Kodak. They seem to have a lot of Kodak stores. I love these vases. They're so pretty. Aren't they?
Yeah. They're different.
They're so cute. 65 bucks. They're pretty. It's like a female head vase. They're pretty. I like that.
Yeah, I like the name of the store. Things that matter.
Siesta time can go till 6. So maybe that's why they close stores so late. It's because they are closed midday. So then they reopen at like 5 and then they close only at 8 p.m. or something. Why is there a pig image under the pig?
Because there's pigs here.
Why is there like a live pig in? No, no, no.
I don't know why.
That's terrifying. Doesn't this neighborhood look very Moroccan-ish? Like very,
Yeah.
like this